How to turn clock customization on and off on Android. This tutorial shows you how to manage how the clock app personalizes your experience on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on General Management. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Right here, find Clock from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. When turned on, the clock app uses your usage patterns to offer smarter suggestions, like recommending alarm times based on your usual sleep and wake schedule, or adjusting timer presets based on what you use most frequently. From here, over time, it picks up on your routines, making the app feel more in sync with how you actually use it day to day. Moving on, turning it off stops the clock app from using your activity data for personalization. All your existing alarms, timers, and world clocks stay exactly as they are, with nothing changed or removed. Finally, the toggle takes effect right away, as soon as you tap it. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.